Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to show you a quick dinner you can put together in no time. It is turkey sausage with potatoes, onions, and green peppers. It is so easy and your house will smell so good. I like to spray my crock pot down. I am using half a cup of milk, and then I'm going to put a can of cream of chicken soup and mix that together good. You can make this the night before and put it in the fridge, and in the morning just put it in the crock pot. I am using smoked sausage for this, but anything would work. Then once you have that in the crock pot, just add your cheese. This is 2 cups of cheese and it's cheddar. Then I add a little salt and some pepper. I wanted to put a little bit of butter in. And then I added a little bit more milk. I just wanted to get the consistency that is. Added my green pepper. We like to use this turkey sausage. Then just add that in the crock pot after you get it all cut up. Give it a good mix. And then I wanted to add part of an onion. It's a big onion. Give that a good stir. And then I had these potatoes and they were starting to get old, so I wanted to use them up. But you could use the Ore-Ida diced. It'd be a lot easier, just dump and go. Give it a good stir. And then I took off to go take my dog to the vet. And when I got home, it smelled so good in my house. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd love it if you subscribed and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.